In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share an Excel dashboard as a link without sharing the whole file. Start by opening Excel for the web and make sure the workbook that contains your dashboard is already open. You want to be inside the file before you begin changing any sharing settings, because the link you create will come directly from this workbook. Once the dashboard is open, move to the top right corner of the screen and click Share. This opens the sharing menu for the workbook you currently have open. From that drop-down, click Copy Link. As soon as you do that, a dialog box appears to confirm that the link has been copied. This is also where you control how that link behaves before you send it out. On that same dialog box, click Settings. After you click it, the Link Settings panel opens. This panel is where you define who can use the link and what they are allowed to do with the workbook. Under the section for who the link works for, choose the access type you want. You can select anyone if you want the link to work for anyone who receives it. You can select people in your organization if access should stay within your organization only. You can select only people with access if the link should work only for people who already have permission. Or you can select people you choose if you want the link to be limited to specific people. After that, move down to More Settings. Here, choose what the person receiving the link can do. You can allow them to edit the workbook. You can change it so they can only view it. You can also set it so the file cannot be downloaded. These controls let you decide exactly how much access the link gives. If you need the link to stop working after a certain time, set an expiration. If you want the link protected, set a password. Enter the password into the fields shown in the settings panel. These options appear in the same area, so stay in the link settings panel while you make these changes. When you finish adjusting those permissions, go to the bottom right corner and click Apply. This saves the settings you selected and updates the link behavior based on those choices. Now open your Gmail account or open any messaging platform you want to use. Go to the message area where you want to send the dashboard link. Click into the message field so the text cursor is active and ready to receive the link. Paste the link by pressing Ctrl+V. Give it a moment so the full link appears in the message field. The pasted link will carry the exact settings you just configured in Excel for the web, including whether the recipient can edit, whether they can only view, whether downloading is blocked, and whether the link has an expiration or password attached. Once the link is in place, click Send. That completes the sharing process. The person who receives the message can now open the workbook using that link, and their access will follow the permissions you selected in the link settings panel. If you allowed editing, they can edit. If you limited the link to viewing only, they can view only. If you disabled downloads, that restriction will apply. If you set an expiration, the link will stop working based on that setting. If you added a password, that protection will also apply when they use the link. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. At this point, you have created a shareable link to your Excel workbook without needing to manually send the whole file as an attachment. The important part is that the link reflects the exact access level you configured before sending it, so the workbook is shared according to the options you selected inside Excel for the web.